Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow notifications permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on permission manager. Now in permission manager, scroll down and click on notifications. Now here in notifications, you can allow or don't allow apps notification permissions by these buttons. So if you want to allow a app for notification permissions, then turn on its button, and if you want to deny a app to allow notifications, then turn off its respective button. So with these buttons you can allow or don't allow notifications permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.